Brackets are attached to the inside of the track with the longer leg facing forward. Snap into place just like that. They can be slid back and forth to find the best position to mount and can be positioned to avoid the fascia lip nails. For best results, position the flat brackets to be secured in the area of the soffit panel that's right before it curves down to join a new soffit panel. This is the strongest area to screw into. You're going to install a few brackets first, take it up to under the eaves, and slide the front face, the front tab, under the soffit and fascia lip. At this point, you'll use color match screws to secure the back. When using L brackets, be sure you've used the best type and length of screws for the fascia board you're attaching to. You don't want to drill through the front of the fascia. Use as many brackets as needed for a secure fit. We recommend at least 2, usually 3. It's important to know that if you're doing a bracket install and would also like to use some of our other accessories such as end caps, multi-track caps, and others, the installation process could be different. Refer to the training modules for those accessories for more information.